Adding a video to a Qualtrics survey enhances engagement and can provide additional context or instructions. Here's how to do it. Log into Qualtrics. Visit Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey where you want to add the video and open it in the survey editor. Select question or text block. Navigate to the specific question or text block where you want to insert the video. You can add the video to a text block or as part of a question description. Add a text or graphic block. If you're adding the video to a text block, click on Add Block and choose Text or Graphic from the options. This allows you to include multimedia elements. Insert video. In the text editor, click on the Rich Content editor. Click the Insert Video button, which looks like a film strip icon. Embed video. You can embed a video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo by pasting the video URL into the provided field. Alternatively, upload a video file if your survey allows file uploads. Save and preview. Click Save to apply changes. Use the preview option to check how the video appears and ensure it functions correctly. Publish survey. Once satisfied with the video integration, proceed to publish or activate your survey as needed.